Hello all, my name is Lavita Payton and I want to start off by sharing my family with you. I have been married for 15 years with a husband that I truly adore. As you can see, I am his biggest cheerleader and I support him in all of his sports activities. I am blessed with 2 adult children, as you can see right here behind me. And my granddaughter that you see here, her and I enjoy being tourists and traveling all over. Whenever I am not with my family, I also spend a great portion of my time as a union delegate and a political activist. I have lobbied, rallied, and campaigned over the past 2 years for various causes, including safe staffing and many healthcare bills and policies. My formal education began in 1992 when I graduated from the New York City Board of Education LPN program alongside my best friend Zakia. I then went on to obtain my license as a registered nurse in 1995 and graduated from Helene Full School of Nursing. After a professional discussion with my mentor regarding the importance of having a bachelor's degree, I went back to school 23 years later in an online environment. I obtained my Bachelor's of Science in Nursing right here at SUNY Empire College in 2018 alongside my best friend Zakia, as pictured above. Most of my nursing career has been spent in the emergency room department. However, now I'm in the post-anesthesia care unit where pain is our priority. Media has vastly changed since I started my career as a nurse. We would only be educated in physical classrooms with an instructor. Now we have online classrooms via the internet and learning modules in our workplace. In our hospital on off hours, they now use technology called telemedicine. Telemedicine is a video conference in which the actual doctor is present on camera. Behind me is an image of what a telemedicine consult would look like. These groundbreaking healthcare advances in technology and media greatly improve our healthcare system, and I am looking forward to see how this class can help me move forward in applying these towards my future career goals.